We are doing something special next, offering more detail on a perfect food pairing with a Cabernet Sauvignon. Let's hear from Spoken Wines member Janelle talk about this perfect pairing.
We're having a braised leg of lamb, which is braised in a red wine and lamb broth with very warm, fragrant spices like star anise, cloves, cinnamon, cumin, smoked paprika. And then on the side, we have roasted carrots with a balsamic glaze and goat cheese. And then this is the base is a couscous, a Durham couscous, which is a whole grain couscous with a citrus infused herb sauce. So there's mint and parsley, orange, and lemon. And also in the braise, there's orange peels to bring out those citrus flavors. And this should pair well with the wine because it has the gaminess of the lamb, also brings out those warm spices and really absorbs it, which should match the tannins in the wine as well. It should be able to match up to the tannins and bring out more of like the softness of the wine.